pioneering factory in Zurich, Switzerland, was founded in 1896 as Maschinen Fabrik Oerlikon, and production of high-voltage gas-insulated switchgear began in 1967. Today, it manufactures GIS for voltage levels from 72.5 up to 550 kilovolts. Hitachi Energy pioneered GIS technology and continues to drive innovation. Our GIS offers outstanding reliability, operational safety, and environmental compatibility, and complies with or exceeds the latest international standards. GIS is a compact metal encapsulated switchgear housing high-voltage components and circuit breakers that can be safely operated in confined spaces. Our iconic high-voltage portfolio eliminates SF6 with reliable and scalable solutions for the lowest carbon footprint. It retains the best of SF6 and is 100% as reliable as the conventional solution. Hitachi Energy's global supplier network undergoes a rigorous two-step qualification process. First, each supplier must pass a live auditing process. Second, the production part approval process verifies each part. Performance is measured against quality, reliability, technology, sustainability, and risks. Our digital passport system offers a leading-edge cloud-based application that enables seamless traceability across the global value chain in real time. Routine tests are performed according to international standards on each assembly, unit, or bay, and customers can witness the routine testing either in our factory or remotely. After the last manufacturing step on the production line, our packing and logistics partner takes over. In our own operations, we have achieved the first step target set out in our Sustainability 2030 plan, the use of 100% fossil-free electricity. And in 2023, EcoVadis recognized Hitachi Energy with a Gold Award for sustainability. We collaborate with customers and partners to enable a sustainable energy future for today's generations and those to come.